Hello everyone, so this tutorial is to show you how easy it is to assemble a tire. So you have choice of two rims, the large one, the 4x8, 2.5x8, and the first thing to do is to put the tire under the sun. As I was mentioning, maybe 10 minutes each side, then the tire is going to be very soft. And prepare just some soap, liquid vessel soap, very little, water, mix together, very little soap needed, maybe 5%. Once we're going to do the assembly on the 2.5. So once the tire is preheated, it's easier with a tire preheated compared to a non-preheated. Just put a very thin layer of waterproof soap. Take your rim, and really no tools are needed. Just handwork like this, very simple. Then you're gonna place the inner tube inside. Starting with the valve. So you have two valves. One valve is straight, one valve is so make sure that the inner tube is really inside and well placed, and nothing is pinching the inner tube here. I suggest for that to pump some little air inside to make sure the inner tube is well in place. But having said that, be careful not to put too many hair inside, just a little bit. Alright, then comes this other lips, just a little bit, not much. You can put a little bit on the rim if you want as well. And then same, no need any tool. Don't use a tool. Put it right in the groove of the rim here, and then just turn around. Little by little until the tire is in place. Here you are. Tire is in place, both sides, ready to blow the tire. One more time, be careful here. This is the valve place. Make sure that the tire is going over before. Very good. Suggest to put another little water and soap so that the tire will be easily going into its position. Just a little bit. What I like in this water and soap is this is not dirtying your tire, it's just water, so very easy to clean after. No need to bother with the grease or whatever. And then I just do it with a small pump to show you how easy it is. But of course, with bigger equipment, it will be much easier whenever this location here gonna be seated, pass over this little pearl. The tire is gonna pop and gonna put in place ready. But you need to put enough pressure to go to that point. Here you go. So we got the first pop. It's not this one, it's this one. So now here, see, the tire is in place on that side. So here you need a little bit more pressure to hear the pop from the second lids of the tire. Once you hear the pop, the tire will be. Here we go. So from that point, you know that your tire is at the right position. You can now take off the pump. It's a small pump, very small, for bicycles. So just to show how easy it is to put your tire in place, and you can switch. You can measure the pressure, check the pressure, and see if it's good for you. We know that when it's in position, we have an optimum pressure inside, so just leave it like this for us. One more time. Here, how is it to mount a tire on a rim for Gravity Zero, the new tire. You can also do that on this tire. It's exactly the same process. Thank you for watching.